Welcome to All Force e-learning classes. Now we have completed session 16. We will start session 17 today. So various examples we have seen that nucleophilic substitution reactions in previous session. Now here aromatic halide is given, nothing but aliphatic halide is given, but having benzene ring. Both are having benzene rings. Then what type of reactions are possible with the same reagents? Nothing but what type of products are possible with the same reagents? One is directly connected with the aromatic ring, one is connected with the aliphatic carbon. Then what is the changes? Nothing but products. What type of product is formed in this given reaction, we will see once again. So now here benzene is given, benzene CH3Cl AlCl3, one of the familiar example, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, which is electrophile here, CH3 plus is electrophile. So H plus is substituted by CH3 plus. So methyl benzene or toluene compound is formed here. Again, chlorination in the presence of sunlight. Chlorination in the presence of sunlight is given. Free radical substitution is possible here. Wherever Lewis acid AlCl3 FeCl3 FeBr3 is given, that undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions, the benzene ring hydrogen is replaced by incoming electrophile. But here different, because sunlight is given. Condition monohalogenation here. So what will happen here? Number of hydrogens are 3. One hydrogen is replaced by chlorine here. Benzyl chloride is formed in this one. Benzyl chloride. If you take this one, acetylene molecule is given, ethane molecule undergoes trimerization, form the benzene here, benzene compound. So benzene is formed here. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction, form the chlorobenzene here. Now here NaOH is given without conditions, nothing but other additions, high pressure, high temperature, any other reagents not given in these cases. So whenever NaOH reacts with benzyl chloride, the chlorine is replaced by OH. Nucleophilic substitution is possible here. So benzyl carbocation is stable carbocation due to the presence of resonance. When you remove that halogen, will get positive charge on carbon. Means given intermediate is more stable intermediate, we'll say the compound is undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction here. So Cl is replaced by OH. Form the benzyl alcohol. CH2OH here. Benzyl alcohol. Wherever chlorobenzene is given, aromatic compound, already we have discussed that point in previous sessions. Reason, due to the presence of double bond nature, given system, conjugated system, means conjugation is possible, resonance is possible, the single bond becomes to double bond. Wherever double bond is possible means compound stability is more, reactivity less. Under normal condition, the chlorine will not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction with OH group here. So here reaction is possible, no reaction. Wherever benzyl chloride is given, alcoholic KCN is given, Cn minus, Cl minus. The Cl is replaced by Cn here. So already NaOH 300 degrees centigrade. Without temperature means no reaction. With the temperature is given, we are going to supply the more amount of energy, then automatically bond cleavage is possible. The Cl is replaced by OH. Already we have discussed that concept. The process is generally called Dow's process. So alcoholic KCN means CS2CN group here. Here under normal condition no reaction. Extra we have to add what we have to add this temperature 473 Kelvin temperature and medium dimethyl formamide, dimethyl sulfoxide like this. So then only reaction is possible wherever aromatic halogen is given. The Cl is replaced by Cn. Cyanobenzene is formed here. Under normal condition reaction will take place in this case. But here no chance. We have to add that extra mediums or temperatures, other catalysts, then we'll get product in this one. Here alcoholic NH3 is given because given system is aliphatic system. The Cl is replaced by NH2 group. NH2 minus is nucleophile. Under normal condition no chance to get the product. We have to add the more amount of temperature and copper oxide is given. Copper oxide, then only Cl minus is substituted by NH2 minus, aniline is formed here. Aniline is formed. Under simple condition is given, no chance to get that product. NaO CS3 is given, OCS3 minus is nucleophile. OCS3 minus is nucleophile, CS2O CS3 here. Here also same thing. We have to add the more amount of temperature to break that chlorine, then form the OCS3 anisole aromatic ether or methoxybenzene or phenyl methyl ether is formed. Phenyl methyl ether is formed in this case. Anisole compound is formed here. Both will react with magnesium. Both will react with magnesium in the presence of ether, form the Grignard reagents. That is simple one or that is aromatic doesn't matter here. Form the what here? PHMgBr. PHMgCl. Cl is given. Here C6H5 here C6H5 or pH CS2 MgBr here. Br or Cl. Cl. This is the way to write that product. Simple condition is given, no chance to get the product. Here we have to add the other things, but here simple compound is given, again simple reagents is given, reaction is possible. What is the difference in between them means one is connected with aliphatic carbon, one is connected with aromatic carbon. Here the lone pairs and a double bond is separated by 2 sigma bonds, non-conjugated system. Here double bond and lone pair separated by only 1 sigma bond, conjugated system. These are the differences in between aliphatic and aromatic. Both are having aromatic rings, but in this case this is the way to write that products. Next we will discuss about electrophilic substitution reactions. Aromatic compound undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions by using the aromatic hydrogens. By using the halogen, the given compound undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions. These are the difference in between the aromatic nucleophilic substitution reactions and aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. So given compound supposed to be, if we take chlorobenzene, chlorine or bromine or iodine, halogens are the para directing groups. So based on the group nature we can explain strongly donating groups, moderately donating groups, Weakly ring activating groups, nothing but strongly activating groups, moderately activating groups, weakly activating groups, and weakly deactivating groups are ortho-para directing groups. Remaining strongly deactivating groups, moderately ring deactivating groups are meta directing groups. Already that one discussed in benzene chapter. Now halogen is given. Halogens are ortho-para directing groups. Ortho-para directing groups here. Ortho-para directing groups. So for example here, chlorine is given, chlorobenzene is given, supposed to be, or bromobenzene is given, or iodobenzene is given, doesn't matter. So here chlorobenzene compound reacts with HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 plus H2SO4. HNO3 plus H2SO4 mixture is generally called what? Nitration mixture. Nitration mixture. Nitration mixture is given, which is electrophile? NO2 plus is electrophile. NO2 plus is electrophile. Nitronium ion is electrophile, which is having sp hybridization. Which is having sp hybridization here. So NO2 plus is electrophile means here H plus is substituted by NO2 plus. H plus is substituted by NO2 plus. That means if molecule undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction with nitrogen, NO2 is formed here. NO2. Orthonitrochlorobenzene compound, again para-nitrochlorobenzene is formed here. Orthonitrochlorobenzene and para-nitrochlorobenzene is formed. Next one. Here H2SO4 is given, concentrated H2SO4 is given. Remember, concentrated H2SO4 is given means the reaction is generally called sulfonation reaction. Here H2SO4 medium is given, which is electrophile here. SO3 is electrophile, you remember always. By using a pi bond, the compound acts as a electrophile in this case. Neutral electrophile. So sulfonation reaction, nitration reaction, sulfonation reaction, chlorination reactions, bromination reactions, nothing but halogenation reactions, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reactions, Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. All these are electrophilic substitution reactions. Again, those are familiar examples for electrophilic substitution reactions. So now concentrated H2SO4 is given means in that medium SO3 acts as an electrophile. H plus is substituted by incoming SO3. So ortho substituted product and para substituted product is formed here. Ortho substituted product and para substituted product is formed in this case. Next, here Cl2 is given, FeCl3 is given. Cl2 is given, FeCl3 is given. Given reactant is chlorobenzene. Here medium is chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid, FeCl3 or AlCl3 anhydrous. I think we have discussed in the preparation of chlorobenzene or halobenzenes. So which is electrophile here? Cl plus is electrophile. Cl plus is electrophile here. So here chlorine, again orthochlorine is substituted by, orthohydrogen is substituted by chlorine, parahydrogen is substituted by chlorine. Orthochlorobenzene, parachlorobenzene is formed. In the same way, if you take bromine, then form the bromobenzene. Ortho-bromochlorobenzene, ortho-bromochlorobenzene, para-bromochlorobenzene. Para-bromochlorobenzene. This is the way to write that product. For example, here CH3Cl is given, AlCl3 is given. AlCl3 is given. Which is electrophile? CS replaces electrophile. CS replaces electrophile here. Methyl chloride or alkyl chlorides reacts with the aromatic compound, form the alkyl substituted product. The type of reaction is generally called Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Alkyl halide is given is called alkylation reaction. So, which is act as electrophile here? Alkyl group. Which one is replaced in this case? Ortho position hydrogen is replaced by methyl, and para position hydrogen is replaced by methyl here. Methyl. Para-methyl chlorobenzene is formed here. Again, compound is given. Here CH3 C double bond O Cl. AlCl3 is given. AlCl3 is given. Here CH3 C double bond O plus. Here Cl minus. Bond cleavage is possible in between the carbon and halogen. Which is electrophile? CH3 C double bond O plus is electrophile. Acyl group is electrophile. Which is replaced in this case? H plus is substituted by acyl carbocation. That means ortho substituted and para substituted product is formed here. Here Cl C double bond O CH3. Again here Cl C double bond O CH3 is formed here. C double bond O CH3. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, bromination reaction, chlorination reaction, sulfonation reaction, nitration reactions. All these are electrophilic substitution reactions, aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, binuclear reactions. Supposed to be, if you take directly this one, which one? Nitration reaction. Nitration reaction. Further nitration is given. Further nitration HNO3 plus H2SO4. So form the what type of product here? Dinitro product is formed here. NO2 and NO2 compound. NO2 and NO2 compound. Ortho and para dinitro chlorobenzene is formed here. Chlorobenzene compound. Again nitration is given HNO3 H2SO4. Again nitration is given means what will happen in this case? Again ortho position hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group. Here KOH is given, aqueous medium, temperature is given, high temperature is given, or Na2CO3 130 degree centigrade temperature is given. 130 degree centigrade temperature is given. So what will happen here? The Cl is replaced by OH, NO2 group. Again further nitration is given, HNO3 plus H2SO4. The ortho position hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group. Ortho position hydrogen is replaced by NO2 group. Picric acid is formed here. Otherwise, again HNO3 plus H2SO4 is given. HNO3 plus H2SO4 is given means again chlorine trinitro-chlorobenzene is formed here. Trinitro-chlorobenzene activity is more towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Here H2O is given 60 degree centigrade temperature. The Cl is replaced by OH. This is the way to prepare picric acid here. So electrophilic substitution reaction, the but final one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. The Cl minus is substituted by OH minus. These are the examples for electrophilic. Here combination is given. Electrophilic and nucleophilic combination is given. Next one is DDT. DDT. Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. So DDT compound. DDT compound. DDT, the first chlorinated organic insecticide. The first chlorinated organic insecticide was originally prepared in 1873. 1873, Paul Muller was awarded the Nobel Prize in Medicine. It was a white powder compound. It is insoluble in the presence of water, but soluble in oils, nothing but organic solvents. But DDT is a cheaper one, but act as a powerful insecticide. It is a non-biodegradable compound and extremely stable compound. Non-biodegradable compound means pollutant compound, this one. Pollutant compound. Again, this one is a poisonous compound. It shows effect on animals, especially fish and other things like this. Again, stored in tissues. So many other properties are there. That's why the compound was banned in some countries. But some countries are used this one. Nowadays also they are using this one as a insecticide. So many other properties are there, but we will discuss how to prepare the DDT. DDT means what? D, dichloro, D, diphenyl, T, trichloroethane. Here 2 moles chlorobenzene, 2 moles chlorobenzene, 2 moles chlorobenzene, 2 moles chlorobenzene reacts with chloral, reacts with chloral in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. In the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 is given remole of H2O. Remole of H2O. Chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde is called chloral. It is going to lose the how many bonds? 2. Reason? Oxygen can form the double bond. Again, that carbon can form the bond with parahydrogen of 1 mole of chlorobenzene. Again, paracarbon of another mole of chlorobenzene. So, in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 undergoes dehydration. Form the DDT here. New bond is formed in between the carbon and carbon, aromatic carbon and chloral carbon. How many elements? 1 here. How many carbons? 1. The carbon is having how many chlorines? 3 chlorines. Remaining phenyl ring here. Phenyl ring. Dichloro, diphenyl, trichloro. How many carbons? Ethane is called what? DDT. Is called what? DDT here. DDT. So DDT is a insecticide compound. Insecticide compound here. This is the way to prepare the DDT. Next, BHC. Benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. Benzene compound undergoes chlorination in the presence of sunlight, form the benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride here. So C6H6Cl6. This one is generally called benzene hexachloride. Benzene hexachloride and DDT both are insecticides. Both are insecticides. Benzene hexachloride also called lindane. Lindane or 366 or benzene hexachloride or gamaxine here. Both are insecticides here. Both are insecticide. Here PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride compound. Vinyl chloride compound undergoes polymerization. Form the polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. PVC, which is written in pipes, PVC pipes. Polyvinyl chloride. Teflon. Tetrafluoroethylene molecule undergoes polymerization, form the tetrafluoroethylene polymer here, CaCF2, is generally called Teflon. Teflon, one of the important polymer. Most of the cases, the polymer used in the preparation of hospital instruments, Teflon compound. Again, by using the alkyl halides, can prepare that freons. So you remember that Schwarz reaction, fluorochlorocarbons. How to prepare the fluorochlorocarbons means we need to add fluorine, means which reaction is useful? Schwarz reaction is useful here. Schwarz reaction is useful. Simple halide is given, or again conjugated halides is given. How to identify that one? For example, here CS2 double bond, here CHCl is given. Here AgNO3 is added. No reaction. How to identify the halogens means by using the AgNO3 test we can identify. With AgNO3 means chlorine gives white precipitate, bromine gives light yellow precipitate, iodine gives yellow precipitate. We discussed that concept in first year practical organic chemistry. So we'll discuss only simple way in this one because already completed in first year this one. So the chlorine is replaced by Ag, but here not possible. Why? Given system A is conjugated system, the single bond becomes to double bond by using conjugation. That's why the AgNO3 cannot break that carbon chlorine bond. No chance to get the silver chloride white precipitate. Wherever CS2 double bond CS2Cl is given. Given system is non-conjugated system. Then only reaction is possible. AgCl is formed here. AgCl. In the same way, chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene is given. Chlorobenzene reacts with AgNO3. Can you identify by using AgNO3 in this case? No. Reason, again, given system is conjugated system. Conjugated system means the AgNO3 cannot break that carbon chlorine bond, means no reaction. Wherever aliphatic is given, aliphatic halogen is given, CS2Cl. Again AgNO3 is given. AgNO3 is given means what will happen in this case? Given system is conjugated system or non-conjugated system? Non-conjugated system means the chlorine gives positive reaction with AgNO3, nothing but AgCl white precipitation is formed in this one. But organic compounds are having chlorine means the chlorine gives green flame test in Bilstein copper white test here. This is the way to identify the given halogens, nothing but halogens with AgNO3. Conjugated system is given, the conjugated system compounds will not give positive reaction due to the presence of resonance, nothing but double bond formation in between the carbon and halogen. Wherever other one is given, that one is non-conjugated system, will break that AgNO3 easily. Those compound gives AgNO3 test but not conjugated chlorines. So thank you.